Jamey Caldwell here from 1 Minute Out. I want to talk to you about some outside the waistband carry options for your new Walther PDP. Now, what I've got in my hands here is C&G Holsters. This is one of their outside the waistband options for the new Walther pistol. As you can see, one of the things C&G does better than everybody else is they use a thicker than industry Kydex. They CNC machine a mold for each pistol. So when they make you a holster, whether you buy it directly from them or you buy it at a retailer on the East Coast or West Coast, it's always going to be identical. It's always going to be the same. It's always going to be perfect. So what I have here is this exact one that I'm wearing. In this option here, this is an outside the waist carry. I've got kind of an overgarment to help protect and help, not print that I am carrying. And then I'm also here, I've got some spare mags. So I've got the C&G double spare mag holder that sits outside my belt, but everything conceals nicely on an overgarment where I can walk around and then have, an easy draw. Because this is normally what we're doing when we're on the range. Our range setups have our pistol right there on our hip, so this just makes it more convenient and more for that muscle memory. Let's go into the draw and reholstering of my Walther pistol with my C&G holster. Right, nothing crazy here, nothing super fancy that we need to do. We just need to ensure that we clear our pistol with our overgarment. So the easiest way to do that is we're gonna take our firing hand, clear back, so ensure that we sweep all the way back with that garment, get a good grab on it, sweep so that we clear our pistol, so that we can then come in, get a good grab on our pistol, and again, our holster is straight up and down. Ensure that we draw straight out, bring the pistol into that ready position to complete our grip, push the pistol out, level our sights, prep the trigger, engage, eliminate the threat. Now, once we're ready to reholster, obviously we've eliminated any threat, so the big thing that we need to do is ensure that we look when we holster, finger is off the trigger, everything is clear, go right back into the holster, the pistol snaps in perfectly into our C&G holster, we're ready to rock, move out, deal with anything else we need to.